In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Canva. Let's get started by opening your design in the Canva editor. This can be any type of design, a social media post, a presentation, a flyer, or anything else you're working on. Once your design is open, take a moment to let everything load so you can clearly see all the elements on your page. Now, look for the text box you want to move. This might be a title, a subtitle, or a smaller piece of body text. Move your mouse over the text you want to adjust and click once on it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box appear around the text, usually with little handles or circles at the corners and edges. With the text box selected, you can now move it anywhere on your design. Position your cursor inside the text box area, but not directly on one of the corner handles. Then, click and hold your mouse button. While still holding the mouse button down, drag the text box to a new location on your canvas. As you move it, you might notice guiding lines or snap points appearing. These help you line things up neatly with other elements. When you're happy with the new position, simply release the mouse button to drop the text box into place. Take a moment to check spacing and alignment. You can always fine-tune it by clicking and dragging again if it doesn't look quite right. If your design has multiple pages, you can also move a text box from one page to another. First, make sure the text box is selected. Then click and hold, just like before, and drag it downward toward the bottom of the current page. Keep dragging until you see the next page come into view. Continue to hold and drag the text box onto the new page area. When you let go, Canva will place that text box on the page you've dragged it to. After moving it, you can adjust its position on the new page in exactly the same way, by clicking and dragging until it sits where you want it. That's all you need to do to move a text box in Canva, whether it's on the same page or across different pages. With this simple drag and drop action, you can quickly reorganize your layout and make your design look more polished and professional.